Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, tell me. In a previous class, only one small demo class, I told in a previous classes only. In that class, what I'm telling, just 1 minute, observe it here. This small thing I'm telling only. Here, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is 19 is a version number. C is a cloud technology. This Oracle product basically is a database product. Database means it is a place where we can store data permanently. But what type of data we are storing means a structured collection of data. Because Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these type of softwares always stores a what? Structured collection of data. That is table format. Okay, na? Yeah. Why? Because EF code only introduced a relational data model is a concept. In that data model, data is represented in the format of matrix. That's why that matrix same as a what? A table nowadays. Now, once the data is stored in a very structured format, then only we are operating a data by using which languages? SQL is a language, structured query language. Already I told you in a previous class. Observe it here. Anybody not enemies, just observe it here. This is a Oracle software I'm installing. That is a database software. In a future, you are also installing only. Okay, now once you are installing Oracle software, this is a what? Oracle database, a place is created. Now here, in this database, having a what? Structured collection of data. This type of structured collection of data is there. Okay. Organized fashion only, data is storing. That is table format only, data is there or not? Yes, here. Now, observe it here, concentrate here. Once a structured collection of data is there, you are also operating data by using SQL language. Suppose, for example, this is a DEPT table is there. Now, in this table, one is a department number is there. I want to remove this department number today. In my project, my requirement is I want to delete means remove this department number one from this DEPT table. Just you are also writing a what some coding only here, observe it here. You are also writing a what some coding here. This type of coding is also called as SQL language. Just I am writing like this, then automatically, and now here, yes, here, one row deleted. Now I want to view that one means just I'm typing a what some command automatically. Observe it here. In a previous case, one is not there, one is available, but in this case, not there. This language is also called as SQL is a language, structured query language. This is also called as SQL language. That's why in a previous class, what I am telling, if you want to operate a what Oracle database, then we are using three languages. One is SQL is a language. Again, another one is SQL means structured query language. Don't worry, same like a English type language. That is insert, update, delete, select, merge, joins. Some small commands are there. Okay, again, same like a C, C++, Java, these type of languages, side variables, loops are there. No, those type of procedural language concepts, they're embedded in a SQL language that is called PLSQL. Why we are learning what a PLSQL means? Always, you are controlling the water server. How means procedural language concepts we are embedded in SQL, then only SQL engine. So now works in a way differently. That is along with PLSQL engine. That is called PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Again, SQL statements dynamically I want to execute. Then we are using a dynamic SQL. Okay, at least SQL, PLSQL languages you are good means you are operating a what Oracle in a software company side. Now check it out. Up to this one, we are discussing in a previous demo class. Now onwards, today onwards, we are starting a what? Some concepts only. Observe it here. Concentrate here. Slowly observe it here. Actually, what is database means today you are understandable. Suppose now slowly observe it here. Actually, in a Oracle software or SQL Server software or DB2 software, any software you are installing in your system also, two types of structures are there, those top softwares. One is logical structure, another one is physical structure. Observe it here. Every database software, what is database means? Next I will tell you, don't worry. Every database software having a two types of structures. One is logical structure. Don't write it. This is a demo class. Okay. Logical structure. Another one is what? Physical structure. Anybody having idea what is logical structure? What is physical structure in our class? What is logical structure? What is physical structure? Anybody? Yes, suppose you are a Java programmer. I am a PLSQL developer. Another fellow is a AI programmer. Another fellow is a what? Python programmer, like that only. But those all programmers basically works in a where? Which one? Logical or physical structure? Very good. Logical structure of the database. One fellow is telling logical structure of the database. Okay, correct. But what is that logical structure? Yes, what is that logical structure means? Now I will tell you. Very important, very easy. Suppose this is a database software is there. Okay, Oracle database, some place only. Okay, here structured collection of data is there. Today I try to create a table, for example, create table. Just here, observe it here. Ganesh is a table I am creating, for example. Festival, no? Yeah, Ganesh is a table I am creating. In this Ganesh table, now here, check it out. I'm creating a table. Okay, table format only data is storing. Don't worry. Now here, whenever I'm creating a table is created or not? Yes, I'm pressing enter key. Table is created. My table is what? Ganesh is a table. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Suppose I want to interested to view where my table is available. Okay, fine. Suppose I'm opening a what operating system. Suppose here C drive, D drive in my computer where the Oracle is available. I know in my system, I'm installing a Oracle software. Maybe in my system side, my laptop side, C drive only Oracle is available. Okay, fine. My computer, I'm opening here C drive. Okay, fine. Where the Oracle is there, I know. That's why I'm opening that folder. Okay, fine. Here Oracle. Here, observe it here, Oracle folder is there. Just observe it here. Don't worry, these all things. Oracle folder is there. Now I'm opening a what ORCL folder. Now check it out. Ganesh is a table is visible or not visible? 1 minute. Observe it here. Ganesh is a recently table I'm creating only. The table is visible or not visible? Very good. Not visible. That's why a structure which is not visible in operating system. A structure, a database structure which is not visible in operating system is called which one? Logical structure of the database. That's why tables are not visible in a C drive, D drive, E drive, like that only. Is called logical structure of the database. Where that is visible in a database level. Okay, logical structure. That's what table creation is about. Logical or physical? Logical structure only. A structure which is not visible in an operating system. OS means operating system. No? That is called logical structure of the database. Now check it out. Observe it here. Very good. One fellow is telling. And now, not Jayendranath, you are telling correct. And now observe it here. Observe it here. But that is database level. It is visible. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Database level. That's why the logical structure means in our class in a feature, tables, views, procedures, functions, triggers, packages, synonyms, indexes, clusters. These are all the database objects we are creating. Okay, fine, in a feature. In that case, those all the things are not visible in a where operating system, but it is visible in a where database level. Okay, na? That is called a logical structure. We are all working in a where, developers are working in a where. Yes, a logical structure of the database. That's why what is the Oracle Corporation giving? A structure which is not visible in operating system is called logical structure. Examples, tables, views, indexes, synonyms, so many things are there, but at least tables, some fellows having idea. Okay, fine. Now check it out. What is physical structure means? Just exact opposite only. That physical structure I am not working only. That is database administrator is a role is there in a company side, in a software company side. DBA person is there, database administrator, Oracle DBA person, SQL Server DBA person, okay, MySQL DBA persons are there. That is job is different. Those persons only working in a very physical structure. What is physical structure means? A structure which is visible in operating system is called physical structure. What is this one? Exact opposite? No. Yes. Suppose now I'm installing a what? MS Access. I'm installing a what? NFOX Pro. I'm installing a Java. I'm installing a AI. I'm installing a Python. In a software you are installing also, some physical files are created in an operating system. You are observing or not? That is called physical structure. Same like Oracle software I'm installing or SQL Server software I'm installing, or DB2 software I'm installing means automatically some physical files are created within OS only, operating system. Those structures are, those files are visible in anywhere, C drive, D drive, or anywhere also. Yes, that is called physical structure. That is handled by the where database administrators only in a company side. Suppose, for example, I'm installing a Oracle software in my system. Screen observe it. Now check it out. Why I'm telling this one means I will tell you. Okay, yeah. Observe here. My computer I'm opening. Now where is that one? C drive. C drive. Here somewhere. Oracle. Where is Oracle is there? Yes. Here. I'm observing a what? Just you are observing a what here. Whenever I'm opening a what? Oracle folder, automatically, yes, .dbf files are there in operating system. .ctl files are there. .log files are there. What is this one? Really, you don't have an idea. That is data files. That is control files. That is okay. So now here log files, log files, so something is there. This is called physical structure. A structure which is visible in operating system. A structure which is visible in operating system is called physical structure. Physical structure is handled by database administrator only, DBA persons only. Okay, na? Yeah. Oracle side. What is this one? Means big concept based on these files only, table spaces, extents, segments. Okay, so many things are there actually. Okay, yeah. And now check it out. That's why what is physical structure? A structure which is visible in operating system is called physical structure. That is what a database administrator only working in a where physical structure. Okay, na? Yeah. And now check it out. Observe it here. Why I'm telling you what logical or physical structure means? Anybody having idea in a previous classes? Here database, I'm telling you what is database? It is a place where we can store data. I'm telling roughly previous classes, structured collection of data, but that is correct or not today you are understandable more clearly. Suppose you are learning a course Oracle DBA or SQL Server DBA. You are a database administrator. Okay. Don't write it, not our course. Okay. Our course is developer. Okay. Just observe it here. Oracle DBA course you are learning anywhere also in online, offline or anything. Whenever you are learning about Oracle DBA course, what is the purpose of the Oracle DBA course job is Oracle database administrator job. In a software company side, we are applying a what? Database administrator job purpose. We are learning a course. Okay, for example. And now check it out. Concentrate here. You are attending an interview. Very interesting this one. Observe it here. Just you are learning a course Oracle DBA job purpose. Database administrator is a job role is there. That application purpose only applying a job only, and you are attending interview. Whenever you are attending interview, maybe interviewer asking, what is database? They're asking, for example, what is database? They're asking. Whenever they're asking about what is a database, what you are telling, bookish knowledge. Yes, it is a structured collection of data. Database is a place, it is a structured collection of data means immediately interview is gone, rejected. Your interview is gone only because you are not a developer. You are a developer, you are telling a what? Yes, structured collection of data means okay. but you are an administrator means don't try to tell answers related to logical structure. You are a good administrator means you are good at what? A physical structure. That's why what is a database? In a interviewer asking a what? Then database administrator telling a what correct answer. What is that one means? Yes, database is a collection of Oracle database is nothing but a collection of data files, .dbf files, control files, .ctl files, and also .log files. But normal developers, you are a first time newcomer, Java, .NET, Python, SQL, PL, SQL developer means you don't know really. But administrator well-known persons. That's why anybody attending a what? Oracle DBA is an interview means, yes, what is a database? Oracle database means they are telling a physical structure. These are physical structure, .dbf files, .ctl files, .log files only. But you are not a administrator. Okay, na? Yeah, you are not an administrator. Really, you don't have an idea of physical structure. Okay, leave this one. You are a Java developer. You are a .NET developer. You are a Python developer. You are a SQL developer, for example, SQL course you are learning no, in our class later. Okay. PLSQL developer. Okay, na? PLSQL developer. These are jobs roles. Okay, developer. Again, PHP developer like this. Okay, so many front-end developers. Normal. This one is okay, everyone knows. Now, in this developer side, you are attending an interview. Whenever you are attending interview, your interviewer asking, what is database? What is database? They're asking me is, yes. What is your answer? Yes, you are a good professional means you are telling very easy way, logical structure you are telling because you don't have not physical structure, logical structure. Logical structure means a database is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Suppose I am installing Oracle, Oracle database is created. Within the database, here, a table format only data is there or not? This is nothing but a structured collection of data. This is a logical or physical? Logical. Logical structure is visible in a where? In a database level. The table format only data is there. It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. This is a logical structure. Logical structure is visible in a where? Database level. Not visible in a where? Operating system. Yes, observed here. Yes, this is a table format only data is there or not? Yes, that's why. Yes, what is a database? Anybody asking me is database is a computerized system side. Database is a what? Place. This is a place, no? Yeah, this is a place. Place where we can store structured collection of data. This organized fashion only data is there or not? Yes, database. What is a database? It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. This is a logical or physical? Tell me anybody. This is a logical structure or physical structure definition? Hello, hello, hello. Anybody? Tell me. Very
Logical.
yes, very good. You are telling correct. It is a logical structure. That's why in a books we are referring means everyone writing this definition only, but administrator differently they are telling. Okay, na? Yeah. That's why it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Okay, fine. This terminology up to now. Okay, yeah, yeah. Anybody in a Google you are typing Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL DB2, okay, these type of latest database software means one another terminology is there, not only the terminology. Anybody observing or not, in a Google you are typing that one means everyone writing a relation, oh sorry, everyone writing what others. Yes, Oracle is a relational data model product they are telling. SQL Server is a relational data model product they are telling. DB2 is a relational data model product they are telling. In your mobile also SQLite is a software is there. That is also popular relational data model product from Oracle Corporation they are telling. What is this one? What is this terminology? I'm a first time newcomer means oh database means it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. What is this data model means? Dead easy. That's why up to now logical structure I'm telling only. Actually, data model is a terminology. First, you are good at what data model terminology. Then only you are good at what a relational data model means easily understandable. That is what is data model means. Don't afraid only. Data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. at a logical structure of the database. How data is represented at a logical structure of the database. Suppose this is a Oracle software you are installing. Okay, na? Yeah. Whenever you are installing SQL server, whenever we are installing a DB2, in a logical structure means always database level. No, in a logical structure you are observing or not here, which format it will display? A table format only it will display the data or not? Yes, here table format only data is displayed. But unfortunately, in a olden days, this is 1970 onwards, this relational data model, some concepts are there, don't worry. Okay, but unfortunately, before 1970, here 1960 side, 19, okay, so now here up to 1962, 1969, okay, so these type of, so now here years, how data is represented. Oracle is not there in olden days. IMS, IDMS, those softwares are there. In that one, data is represented, okay, at a tree structure. Tree structure, anybody have an idea? Root node, again branches, again, okay, so now here, yes, leaf nodes. These type of structure representation is there. That is very difficult actually. That's why always data is represented at a logical structure is specified in the terms of data model. But in a olden days, suppose some softwares are there, Oracle is not there, IMS, IDMS, those softwares are there in a 1960 to 1969. That is, okay, so IMS, IDMS softwares means network and hierarchical data model based only they are implemented. That is a tree structure. That is a graphs only. That is different. SQL language is not there for operating those databases, very difficult. That's why that is never popular only. That is a COBOL language through they are operating only olden days, procedural language required. But these problems overcome purpose. Latest software side, here Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, these softwares are relational data model softwares. Data is represented in the format of tables. That's why here observe it here. What is data model? Anybody asking, for example, data model means data model specifies, observe it here, screen observe it here. Data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. Logical structure means a structure which is not visible in operating system, but it is visible in a where? Database level. No? Yeah. Observe it here. Data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. Okay. Yeah. In a olden days, 1960 here, those years means hierarchical data model is there. Data is represented in the format of tree structure in a olden days. Suppose just in a future, those concepts you are familiar. 1 minute, observe it here. Those things also you are good at one of these days. Can observe it here. This is a tree structure. No? How this tree structure we are converting into table in a future, we are learning some concepts are there. Observe it here. Here tree structure is there. No? Yeah. Here root node, King is a manager, under King Jones, Blake Clark is working, under Blake these employees are working. Like this only tree structure is there or not? This is called a tree structure. Okay, nowadays tree structure nobody, those type of softwares are nobody using, but how we are converting that one into where a relational data model we are learning, don't worry. Okay, I will tell you. But first observe here, data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. But unfortunately, relational data model, what is relational data model means? Anybody tell me? Yes, very good. Relational data model means data is represented in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but tables, rows and columns. Why that is called as a what? Relational data model okay, means always data is represented in the format of not only matrix, not only table format. We are establishing a relationship between tables. We are establishing a relationship between tables for data security point of view. That is foreign key, primary key. So many concepts are there. Don't worry. That's why relational data model, this data model introduced by 1970 only is a what? EF code. Anybody having idea name of this person? is the father of the relational data model. EF code only. He is only introducing a what? Relational data model because he is a mathematician. He is working in an IBM company in those days in the 1970s. Okay, na? Yeah. Now here he is only introducing a what? A relational data model. Data is represented in the format of tables. That onwards, that is popular. Why? Because the tables means matrix means I am also here also easily understandable. End user, everyone understandable. Okay, and also he is introducing a what? One language for operating a relational data model product means easiest language he is only introducing. That is what? SQL language. SQL language also he is only introducing, but in those days that language name is DSL alpha language. Again, DSL alpha language was changed into where Square is a language. Square was changed into where SQL structured English query language. Again, that SQL was changed into where SQL language. That is ANSI standard language, which works in all relational databases. But from that ANSI standard, Oracle creating Oracle SQL, SQL Server creating SQL Server SQL in a demo classes. I told no in a previous class demo class only. Anybody not attending me, just observe it that one. Why? Because one key concept I am telling in that one. Okay, yeah, don't worry. That's why relational data model means always in a 1970 only EF code introduced a relational data model. In relational data model, data is represented in the format of tables. Okay, this is everyone knows. That's why anybody observing a what in a net, in a Google. Okay, so now we are typing a what. Okay, Oracle means one of the relational data model product, popular relational data model product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a one of the popular relational data model product from Microsoft company. DB2 is one of the popular relational data model product from IBM company. MySQL is one of the popular relational data model product from Oracle Corporation nowadays. In olden days, open source that one. Teradata is one of the most popular relational data model product from NCR Corporation. Like that, different. So now products are there, but these all products are MongoDB is different. That is no SQL. Okay, yeah, unstructured data. That is different. These are different. That's why always so many relational data model products are available in a market. Anybody having idea? Relational data model products are more popular. Java developers are using relational data model products only in backend side. Okay, yeah. A programmers also still they are using this one. Okay, now observe here. What are the relational data model products are available in a market? Anybody tell me? Observe, just non-technical person observation purpose. Very good. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Popular product that one. Again, SQL Server is a relational data model product from Microsoft. DB2 is a relational data model product from IBM company. MySQL is a relational data model product from nowadays Oracle purchasing only. Again, anybody having got in your mobile, SQL Lite is a relational data model product is there. That is mobile application purpose. That is also from Oracle Corporation. Again, Postgres is a popular relational data model product from Ingress company. Sybase is a popular relational data model product from Ingress company. Like this, so many relational data model products are there in a worldwide. Teradata is a popular relational data model product from some of here, yes, NCR Corporation, like that. But these all products operating means one common language is there. What is that language? SQL is a language, structured query language. That is also introduced by EF code only. Okay, na? Yeah, that is everyone knows. But unfortunately, 1 minute observe it here. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, you are a non-technical. Suppose I am a first time newcomer, for example, into the software field. I'm a non-technical person. I'm a mechanical student, for example. Okay, yeah. Now I want to interested to enter into the software field. Okay, fine. Maybe Rishan is there also. My relatives are telling in a future AI is there, artificial intelligence is there. That's why maybe more opportunities. Better to at least learn what in these days only what is sort of software or anything, how you are writing the programming skills, or you have an idea means maybe in a future more career is there, they are giving us suggestions. Okay, fine. For example, but unfortunately, I'm a mechanical or okay, civil student only, but I don't know software. But I am asking in my relatives only, otherwise who are well settled in a very software field, I'm asking which course I want to learn. I'm a newcomer, I don't know software, I'm not interested in a coding only. At least, okay, so a basic knowledge I want, which course I want to learn, I'm asking me is most of the 80% of the where well settled software engineers are giving us suggestions. In a relational data model product, you are learning better. They are telling, yes, really correct suggestion that one. Why? Because without painful, easily understandable, easy. In a relational data model product, suppose you are a non-technical person, you are learning a Oracle, dead easy, nothing is there. Again, you are learning about MySQL, easy. Yes, SQL server, dead easy. Anybody also. That's why some countries are in a where outside countries only in a 10th standards, 9th standards also. These are all the okay. So database compulsory there. Compared to language, later only they are introducing higher education level, but lower level database software they are embedded only. So many countries. You have to check it out in a Google. Okay, why? DBMS software is there. Why? Because easy, dead easy. Anybody also understandable. Same like English type language only. What is going on? Just we are typing queries and all these things. But here advanced level we are learning. But just I'm telling. That's why relational data model products are so easy. First, easiness. That's why so many fellows are giving us suggestions. Better to learn in a relational data model product. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, why relational data model products are so easy? Either Oracle, either SQL Server, either MySQL, either DB2, either Sybase, either Informix, either Ingress, either Postgres. In a software language, you are learning also why easy means reason is there. What is the reason? Observe it here. Observe it here. Concentrate here. In a relational data model, products are mainly consist of only three components. In every relational data model product side also only three components are there, finished, nothing. Okay, depth learning, how you are writing the queries and all these things I will tell you, but mainly three components, that much of easy. What are these three components are available? Observe it here, 1 minute only. Just in a future, you are learning a courses, no, that knowledge purpose only I am telling now. Observe it here. What are the main three components means? Observe it here. Relational data model mainly consists of three components. Three components. First one, observe it here. First one very easy. Second one very easy. But third is important. Observe here. First one, collection of database objects. Relational data model products. Why so easy means first one is what? A collection of database objects are there. What is this one? Now check it out. 1 minute. Observe it here. Easy. Observe it here. Suppose I'm working in a company, I'm working in a Oracle database software. You are working in a where SQL server. Your friend is working in a where MySQL database. For example, in these projects only. Okay, fine. Now check it out. These are relational data model products. No, relational data model is a concept, is there so much a big concept, I will tell you later. Now from based on that concept only, they are implementing the different companies, different products only. Okay, yeah. Now in a Oracle, I am working in a where table is a database object is there. You are also working in a table database object is available in SQL server. In a MySQL also table is a database object is there. Okay, how much easy. Again here view is a database object is there. Here also view is a database object is there. Here also view is a database object is there. Here synonym is a database object is there. Here also synonym is a database object is there. Here also synonym is a database object is there. Here stored procedure is a database object is there. Here also stored procedure is a database object is there. Here also stored procedure is a database object is there. Here function is a database object is there. Here also function is a database object is there. Again here also function is a database object is there. That's why trigger function package, so many things. Okay, what is that those objects and what is the purpose of those objects in a project side? And also how you are creating those objects means you are successful, but different languages, different syntaxes, I'm agree, but basically conceptually same or not? Yes, here what is going on how we are using an aware project side, you have an idea means you are successful. That's why how much easy in a database software you are learning also all the things very easy. Now that's why always relational data model product side, which concepts are available, not only tables, some tables, views, synonyms, these type of database objects are available. Learners very easy way they are learning. Oh, what is the table? What is the purpose? So now how we are operating, where we are using in a project finished. Again, what is the view? What is the purpose of the views? How we are interacting with the what customers or end users or developers in a where view only. Through the view, how we are accessing a base table data. These are all the things they have an idea. Finished, successful. What is stored procedure? How we are interacting with the what Java and .NET or Python? How we are passing a values from the where database into where in a Java and Java into where? Yes, database is stored procedure in parameter, output parameter, input parameter, output parameter. Otherwise, in out keywords are there. How they are using? Simple, finished. That much of easy only. Don't worry later. Okay, just at least I'm intimating to you relational data model. Why easy means one is collection of database objects are there. Objects means some tables, views, something only. Okay, at least tables. You have an idea means enough. Next. Second component dead easy. Second component also dead easy. In a relational data model product side, what is the second component means? Observe it here. Observe it here. Same like a C, C++, Java, these type of languages side, you have an idea. Operators, you have an idea. Yes, relational operator, logical operators, special. Okay, so now here arithmetic operators, you have an idea. No? Yes, same like here also operators are there. Relational, logical, okay, those operators okay, but not only that one. Special operators are there. For example, exist is an operator, in is an operator, okay, all is an operator, any is an operator. Okay, again, like is an operator, is null is an operator, between is an operator, intersect union, that is all the things everyone knows. Okay, yeah, these type of operators are there. That's why, so now here is not only relational, not only logical, not only arithmetic, but also these type of operators through how you are operating a what a data in a database, you have an idea, you are successful. Simple, nothing is there. That much of easy. That's why always in a relational data model products having a what a set of operators also there. Now next is different, totally different, totally different. Everyone good at what collection of database objects and set of operators, they have an idea, because in a YouTube's they are observing, in a Google they are observing, only in a Oracle course or SQL Server course, MySQL course, up to some queries they are also practicing their own way, they are getting a good knowledge. Okay, I'm agree, because collection of database objects and operators are there, but they are unable to handle the projects. Why? In a companies, otherwise they are unable to. So now here is breakthrough, they are not unable to get in a where breakthrough in a where interview side. Why means next component they doesn't know, that is a problem. What is that next component means? That is important, that is important. Always third component is the most powerful. This is the problem. That's why so many fellows are learning a courses outside. What is that one means? Observe it here. Relational data model products are works based on set of rules. Very important. These rules, who are good at what these rules, they are never facing a problem in interview and also project side. Who are not good at what these rules, those persons only struggling. In a company side also, interview side also, still in a number of years experience also. That's why every relational data model works based on set of integrity rules or set of rules. These rules purpose our courses we are learning only on outside. Now, really, I have a doubt only. Really, relational data model products are works based on set of rules? Yes, 100% yes. These things we are learning. Don't worry. Okay, not a single day, one by one rule by heart. Not there. Okay, so now those type of things impossible. According to subject only, we are learning these rules. Okay, yeah. Suppose, for example, imagination. This is a Oracle database software is there. For example, just the first time, no entertainment purpose, I'm telling. Here, some users are there, don't worry. For example, Oracle Corporation giving a what? Scott is a user. Okay, in a future installation, users, I will tell you, don't worry. Scott is a user is there. For example, employee or user. Okay. In this Scott user, this is a table is there. For example, this is a table. Oracle Corporation giving this predefined table. For example, okay, fine. In a Scott is a user. What is the user later? Don't worry. Suppose I am working in a company. My name is Murali. Okay, Murali. My database administrator giving a username and password, my name only and password they are giving. Murali daily do you are connect to the where server by using this username password they are telling. I'm connect to the server. Okay, yeah, don't worry. What is this server? All the things later. Just observe it here. This is a another user. Just guess it. I'm asking small question only, not technical persons also, not a problem. Just observe it here. This is a Murali is a user is there in a database, but another user, Scott is a user is there. Is Scott user having a EMP table? Okay, maybe users tables later. Okay, but just guess it. Okay, yeah. Scott user having a table, EMP table. Again, Murali user is there. Now observe it here. Murali user can access a Scott user table, possible or not possible? Anybody? Very good. Basically, not possible. Basically, another user tables we are unable to access. Basically, okay, fine. Select star from EMP. So what is select? Don't worry, there is SQL language command. It won't work. Table or view does not exist. Here, error observed here. Newcomer read this one. Table or view does not exist. This is a maybe so many fellows having idea, but observe it here. In this case, Murali user maybe in a project side, they want to use a Scott user table, maybe some other purpose, reporting or anything. Okay. Now, one chance is there. What is that one means? Maybe Murali user requesting a what? So now requesting a what? Scott user, please give me your table permission for accessing these are some reasons you are telling me. So maybe this Scott user giving a what? Permission. Okay, not one Scott user, any other user. Okay, yeah. Observe here. Observe here. Now, how they are giving a permission means grant is a command is there, SQL command. Don't worry. Grant all on EMP2 Murali, for example. Don't write it, just observe it here. What is this one? You don't have an idea. Demo class, no, just observe it here. Suppose here rules based or not, now you are understandable. Grant this Scott user giving a what? Grant EMP table to Murali. They are giving. Okay, na? Yeah. Now grant is succeeded. I know, you know, everyone knows grant is succeeded. Now tell me correctly. Now Murali user can access what this Scott user table. Possible or not possible? Only one answer is correct. Fast. Very good. I am also, you are also telling Murali sir, nothing is there. Yes, possible. We are thinking generally because grant is succeed now. Possible we are thinking, but unfortunately impossible. Error. What is this one? I know, you know, your case of grant is succeed means possible, but unfortunately, why I am telling like this error means reason is there. Error, it won't work. Really, grant is succeeded, but why this is failure means this Murali user doesn't know relational data model products rules. That's why grant is succeeded also failure. He doesn't know rules, how we are accessing a what after grant succeeding also a tables or procedures or functions means they doesn't know. That's why rules they doesn't know. That's why error. Observe here. Yes. Now check it out. Error again. Error. What the rule means? What the rule means? Observe here. Observe here. That's why relational data model products are works based on rules. What is that one rule means? Yes. Which user giving a permission? Which user giving a permission? Roughly. Okay. Which user giving a permission? Scott user giving a permission. Which user giving a permission? That username dot object name we are writing only. That is a rule. Simple rule. Because so many users are there now. Which user? That's why employees different, users are different. User names they are giving. Scott dot EMP. Very important. They're only working. Observe it here. Observe it here. any procedure, any function, any trigger, anything they are giving also. Yes, username dot object name is select star from emp. We are not allowed to write scott dot emp. Okay, na? That is important. Username dot object name, that is a rule. Simple, no? Yeah, that is later you are familiar, just idea purpose I am telling. And now here, check it out, observe it here. Yes, some fellows are guessing only. Great. Select star from here scott dot emp. Working. Yes. Working or not? This is a rule or not? Yes, here, observe it here. Update scott dot emp, delete from scott. Okay, like this only we are using only. Yes, here. That's why always here, whenever we are working in a where relational data model products, always rules are most powerful. Okay, understood? Up to this one is enough, because another class is there 9 o'clock. Because you after demo class completed means then regular sessions we are starting. But in a future your regular sessions are 9 to 10. Okay, yeah, this is add and batch 9 o'clock. Already these all the things are completed. Okay, don't worry. Okay, yeah. Anybody not attending a previous class means just one demo class I told, no? Yeah, that is just observe it. This one, and also another thing, or otherwise regular session we are starting. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow at 8 a.m. only. Okay, yeah. In a future, yes, one fellow Dinesh, ask your doubt. Fastly ask me. Why? Because another class is there. Yeah, recorded videos, they are giving only management. Okay, giving a what PDF file is there, no? PDF file and also recorded videos only. Okay, yeah. But unfortunately,
Hello.
up to some stage, maybe some fellows are non-technical persons are there, no? Up to installation after maybe DDL, DML, some commands are there. Up to that one, you are writing a notes is better. Okay, up to that one. Later not required. Okay, yeah, because PDF file they are providing, and also recorded videos they are providing only. Terminology purpose I am telling only. Okay, but important points you are noted down, not a problem. Anybody tell me fast?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I am working in Oracle 21C.
Okay,
Sir, if any no problem in 19C,
not a
queries are
problem. Okay, yeah,
executed.
actually extra features are there, no? In each and every version, developer side some features, administration side some features are there, no? Yeah,
Okay.
olden days, whatever 19C, 18C, 10G, 11G, these all the things are working in a 21C. Okay, yeah. Only
Okay.
extra features, the development features.
Okay, sir.
Those, don't worry, those are all the things are understandable, very easy.
Sir, sir, hello.
Ask me. Yeah.
సార్ నేను ఇలా సెల్ఫ్ స్టార్ ఇలా ఈఎంపీ అని కొడితే ఆ టేబుల్ ఏం రావట్లేదు సార్ దానిలో
Yeah,
నేను
actually,
కొట్టినట్టు.
19C onwards, tables are not available. If you are interested to get a what those tables means, don't worry. Actually, demo bld.sql file is there in a Google. Just 1 minute only. These are all the things I will tell you in a regular session. Don't worry. Here, observe it here. Yeah, here demo bld.sql file. You have to type it in a Google. Okay. Yeah.
ఓకే.
Just your practice purpose. And now here only Scott schema tables are there. Those
ఓకే.
all the things later understandable, but first
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
open up the root here. Then that script file, otherwise copy paste. Okay, up to this one here, EMP, DPT tables you want means in olden days that is available, but 19C onwards they are removing only. And now that's why if you want this one means here onwards, create table onwards, up to commit only, just copy it and paste it, then automatically working. Okay, these are the seeded table, no demo tables, not a problem.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay, thank you. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay. Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow continue. Thank you.